You are going to love the 2024 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, stability control, navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.